each and everyone. Masaya po kami ngayon dahil aming celebrate ang aming Silver Jubilaria ng batch 1999. Ngayon po sa ating Grand Alumni Homecoming, ang ating theme ay Magbalik, Magsaya, King Pamilyang Asunta.
Ganyan na po yung aldong panayan tamo, magbalik magsaya aking pamilyang Asumta. Tara po't balikan tamo yung sayang ranasan tamo king Asumta, king kilob ng 25 years. At siyempre, celebrate tala rin datang 50 years dareng kaya katamong Golden Jubilarian Batch 1974.
Good evening to everyone. It is with great joy that I welcome you all to this year's annual homecoming of Assumpta Technical High School, hosted by Batch 1999 and co-celebrated by Batch 74, 79, 84, 89, and 94 Jubilarians. Today is a wonderful opportunity for us to relive cherished moments, reconnect with one another, and celebrate the bonds that make us one Assumpta family.
My dear fellow Assumptans, make this institution, Assumpta, as our tahanan, wherein you can find fulfillment, joy, and happiness in your life. Wherein kung saan tingin ninyo mabigat na ang buhay, confused, at hindi alam, disappointed sa buhay, make it a point, try to visit our home where you can find rest, where you can find encouragement, where you can find inspiration and light.
Hello po, pasibayo po Maya Paldo kay Katamungan. Tunay pong masayang atit na kayungan ngayon eh. Tutuna po nini, kakarog kami kasi nang big motorcade kami po mumuran alang managit yung dalanan mi tapos rin tarpaulin mi po kakasabit na pa alanalo. So masaya kaming miras po kaya kayo yung pa mag-invite mi at nadingabak mumuran po panalangin mi sana dakal munta. Siyempre po mas buriming dakal taong ngakit burid ako kung ngakit ngayon Paldo ngayon. Salamat po, King Pamamunta.
In this 2025 year of hope, may each one of us become instruments of light, bringing hope to where it is needed most. So magsalyata mo po ngayon kabenyan bilang pamilyang Assumpta, king kakatamong pamagbalik. And let us continue to journey together with hope in our hearts. God bless us all. God bless Assumpta. Good evening and welcome once again.
So let us enjoy the day and thank you to our school, Assumpta Technical High School. At lagi namin tatatak sa aming puso ang sinasabi ni Mother Marie Eugenie na ang pagiging tatak MME ko, paninindigan ko.